If you've been frustrated with being able to lose weight, I'm going to share something with you that is going to absolutely change the way you approach weight loss. No more do you have to spend hours trying to figure out what you need to eat or what kind of exercises you need to do. I'm going to show you how within a matter of seconds, using the new AI-powered assistant called ChatGPT, your weight loss frustrations may be gone forever. So if rapid weight loss is what you're after, keep watching. You're about to discover a game changer in your fitness journey. If you want to lose weight, you have to have a plan. But this is where most people get lost. There's nothing more frustrating than having to sit down and figure out a meal plan. But with ChatGPT, meal planning is an absolute breeze. Let's say you're aiming for a 1,500 calorie diet to lose weight, but you also have high blood pressure. What you need are meals that are low in sodium and high in fruits and vegetables, lean proteins and whole grains. You can simply type in create a 1,500 calorie meal plan for high blood pressure into ChatGPT. It'll generate a plan for you, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and healthy snacks to keep you satisfied. For example, for breakfast, it may suggest a heart-healthy dish like oatmeal, topped with fresh blueberries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. For lunch, it might propose a grilled chicken salad loaded with veggies and dressed with a low-sodium vinaigrette. Dinner could be a delicious salmon with a side of quinoa and a steamed broccoli, and snacks could include fresh fruits or a handful of unsalted nuts. Each of these meals aligns with your health goals and is designed to keep you nourished and satisfied. And the best part, it's all tailored to your taste and preferences. If there's something that you don't like or can't eat, you can simply ask ChatGPT to provide an alternative. With ChatGPT, you're not just getting a meal plan, you're getting a personalized dietary roadmap that aligns with your health goals, dietary needs, and taste buds. So now that we have a meal plan in place, let's bring it to life. And this is where this program shines again. Let's say for our meal plan, we've got grilled chicken salad with low sodium vinaigrette for lunch. But how do you make it? You need not worry because ChatGPT is here to guide you. Simply type in recipe for grilled chicken salad with low sodium vinaigrette, and ChatGPT will generate a step-by-step recipe for you. Or if you love the whole meal plan that was set for you, you can ask to give you recipes for all the meals on your list, and within a matter of seconds, you'll have it ready to print off and prepare. This way you can get easy to follow, delicious and healthy recipes for all the meals in your plan. So now, not only do you know what to eat, but you also know how to prepare it. Healthy eating has never been this effortless. Alright, now that we know how to make our meals, we need to actually go to the store and get it. Now, unfortunately, ChatGPT isn't going to do the shopping for you, but it can make it less painful. It can generate an organized shopping list for all the meals in your plan, ensuring that you'll never miss an ingredient. Now, it's going to take a little practice for you to figure out how to make it work right for you and your situation. But really, eating healthy and planning your meals for your new lifestyle designed to lose weight has never been easier. Now, let's say you have a favorite recipe that you just can't give up, but that's not exactly the healthiest option. No problem. ChatGPT can help you modify it with a healthier version. Suppose you have a weakness for spaghetti carbonara. You can ask ChatGPT to suggest healthy alternatives. Input make spaghetti carbonara healthier, and ChatGPT can provide suggestions. For example, substitute regular spaghetti with whole grain spaghetti for added fiber and nutrients. Use lean turkey bacon or chicken bacon instead for traditional bacon to lower the fat content. And replace full fat cream with low fat milk or a dairy-free option to reduce the calorie count. This modified version of spaghetti carbonara still gives you the creamy, comforting experience of the original dish, but it aligns better with your health goals. Or if you want to be even more specific, simply copy and paste the recipe you want it to modify and see how it changes. For example, this is a great recipe for fettuccine alfredo that I got from the internet that is full of heavy cream and other things that just aren't going to cut it for your weight loss. Well, to get a healthier version of it, just copy and paste it into ChatGPT, ask it to make the recipe healthier, and see what happens. Now you can make fettuccine alfredo that still tastes great, but uses more healthy ingredients that won't get in the way of your weight loss goals. With ChatGPT, you don't have to say goodbye to your favorite dishes when aiming for weight loss or healthier living. You can enjoy what you love, but in a way that contributes positively to your well-being. This really makes healthier eating a pleasure and not a chore. Now, let's not forget, a healthy lifestyle isn't just about what you eat, but also staying active. And yeah, ChatGPT has your back in this aspect too. It can help you generate a customized exercise plan that aligns with your fitness goals and current capabilities. For example, suppose you're a beginner aiming to lose weight and have 30 minutes to spare each day for working out. You can ask ChatGPT, create a 30-minute beginner workout plan for weight loss. Within a matter of seconds, you have a personalized plan. Also, you can always ask for modifications if an exercise feels too challenging or if you have specific physical limitations. Try putting in specific changes that you would want to see, whether that's with or without equipment, if you have bad knees or a bad back. It will let you know how to modify to fit those needs. And if you don't understand what a certain exercise is, just ask it to explain it better and it'll give you more details. So using this program, you'll never feel lost when it comes to figuring out how to exercise for your goals. It's like having a personal trainer available anytime, anywhere. With ChatGPT, there's so much you can do for your health and fitness, but remember, it's not perfect, and it's certainly not something that should replace competent medical advice from your doctor or other health professionals. But when it comes to making meals and giving exercise plans, it's a low-risk tool that can be quite helpful. But always remember to consult with your own doctor before making any big changes. Even though ChatGPT isn't perfect, it's a really powerful tool. It can make the worst part of dieting a breeze. And the best part about this tool is it is only going to get better over time. So can you see why I'm so excited about this new tool? The biggest thing that usually stands in the way of my patients' success is that it just takes so much time and effort to learn what they need to do. With learning how to use this tool in your life, you can start making those changes that you've always wanted to and save a lot of time. Time is always something that's easy to get away from us. Sometimes we don't take the time to take care of things early when it can make a difference, and this can lead to some big problems. Unfortunately, I see this all the time, but it doesn't have to be that way for you. To help with that, I want to tell you about some patients of mine that decided to come in early when they first started having some symptoms, and it ended up saving their life. You can hear about it in this video right here. We're going to go over some of the most common early signs that could mean that you have cancer. By learning to recognize them early, you give yourself the best chance of avoiding the devastating impacts of advanced cancer. It's a video that very well may save your life.